In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Gboard on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center, and from here, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. After that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And from here, just tap on your profile icon and make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After that, just tap on Search. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on Gboard, then tap on Get to install Gboard. Tap on Install. Now once Gboard is fully downloaded, now just go to your home screen and open Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General, and under the General Settings, you will find the option for Keyboard. Now just tap on it. From here, just tap on Keyboards, then tap on Add New Keyboard. And under Third-Party Keyboards, just tap on Gboard. Now after you add Gboard over here, now just tap on it, then enable the toggle for Allow Full Access. Select Allow, and after you've done that, now just open the keyboard on your iPhone, then tap and hold on the globe icon over here. Now from the list of keyboards, just select Gboard. And after you do that, now you'll be able to use Gboard on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.